Hi guys, I'm hitting pause on the kitchen refresh for now because spring has finally sprung. It's warm enough outside to start a new project, and I've been waiting a long time to get this done. So let's head back outside to get started. Okay, so the weather is finally warm enough. We're on to our next project. It's been a while and we definitely need to finish this side porch of ours. So the first assignment for the day is to replace the stairs. This is definitely not up to code. Stairs are missing, they're crooked. So the next thing I'm going to do is remove this, get the accurate measurements, and then install our new stairs. It's still here. Our lockbox.
You know the code?
No.
You know who does? Your brother. You probably don't remember no more, but he used to tell me it. I used to always forget it.
This lockbox has been here since we moved in. When did we move in?
2011?
2011.
Yep. I'm okay, don't worry about it.
Good job.
Nice. No, it's gotta go down more, right? Good. Isn't that good? Yeah.
We didn't quite get the measurements for the stringers correct, so we'll have to do that over. So for now, I figured I was just going to start painting the deck. I'm going to give it a quick clean. This was already sanded last summer, so there's not much else to do but to start painting it. I'm going to remove the railing as well. They're pretty old. As you can see, there's a lot of mold and mildew. The paint is chipping, and it just needs to be replaced altogether. Okay, so you see those two big barrels? That is, what is that called? Like sealant for your driveway. I was supposed to get that done a long time ago. A family member works for a company, had extra, was willing to do our driveway. It never worked out because we had a truck in our driveway that was down for some time, so he couldn't really get in here. He decided he was going to store it here until we got the truck out of the driveway. Let's just say a few winters, summers have passed and it is now no good. Because we have nowhere to put it, I'm going to try to move it out with a pallet jack. Hopefully I can get it out myself. Otherwise I'm going to clean around it. Still trying to figure out how I'm going to dispose of it. I might just give it back to him and he can dispose of it. I'm sure they have a way of doing it. I'd rather it just not be under our deck. So of course, to clean all of this, I had to make a new mess. So I'm going to get started on this area and create a mess somewhere else. Now that everything is cleaned, I'm going to start painting. I'm going with the same color as the deck so that everything's pretty easy, especially since I have a whole nother can left. All right, let's get started. All right, everything is cut in. It's now dry. I'm ready to go over it with the final coat. This piece of wood is going to be replaced, so I'm not going to paint that. I will paint that last. So far, everything looks good. I'm pretty excited to see what it looks like because everything else was looking real dusty and real old. My first attempt at cutting stringers was horribly wrong, but I had the right idea, if that makes any sense. So of course I turned to the professionals on YouTube and found the best help from Andrew Thrawn Improvements on YouTube. So if you feel like this is something that you could take on, head over to his channel for help. I'm both equally surprised and impressed that I was able to get this far in the project. Now this wood does need to dry, so for now that's where I'll end the video. In the next video, of course, this will be finished and I finally get to install the railings, which I'm super excited about. I'll see you in the next video.